colorful ants are happily working and marching through the forest.
We work together as a team.
They are carrying fresh food and supplies.
This is the result of our hard work.
Yes, teamwork makes us strong.
Oh, I slipped. Suddenly, one little ant fell down. Don't worry, we are with you.
Thank you, friends.
True friends always help each other.
Dark clouds began to cover the sky.
What is happening?
A magical golden seed fell from the tree.
Wow! What is this? It looks magical!
Let's take this seed with us. It may help us.
They carefully lifted the seed together.
This is mine. I will keep it for myself.
Magic happens only when everyone works together.
I'm sorry. Let's work together as a team.
They planted the magical seed in the ground.
Bring water.
Let's help together!
Soon, a small glowing sprout appeared.
Wow! Amazing! Teamwork is magic.
When hearts unite, great things happen.